Hello, everyone. I'm Rodney Reynolds, and welcome to episode 3 on Cities Skylines. So this one will be about deleting your saved games. Now, why am I jumping to this? Because you haven't even started to create a new game yet. Well, the reason why I'm doing this is you will, once you create a new game and start saving, and you will have a lot of saves because you will want to back up your progress, so if you make a mistake you can go backwards. You will have a lot of content, and to delete the saved games, it's not that intuitive, both in the cloud and locally. If you want to, you have an option whether you want to save it in the cloud, but I thought maybe going to load game and then right clicking in here and deleting it through here would be maybe the way to do it, but it's not. If you go into Content Manager, this is where you delete the saved games. Go into Saved Games here on the left and click here and just say yes to delete the game. Now, notice here on the right, this one is not saved in the cloud. It doesn't have a cloud next to it, but this one is. So remember, if you delete it here, you'll delete it both in the cloud and locally. So that's how you delete your saved games. And look at how many. I make some progress, save, make some progress, and save because, again, I can fall back if I need to. So that's it for this episode. So remember, if you like this content, to subscribe, turn notifications on, and why not become a Patreon member? All the links are down below. I'll see you in the next one.